Hello, and welcome to St. Lawrence College Career Services Employment Fraud presentation. Today I'm going to bring you through some important things for you to know to ensure that you conduct a safe job search. Let's get started. I'll begin today by giving you a quick overview of career services and the resources available to you. We'll then discuss what you need to know about employment fraud, as well as career services contact information in case you have any questions for us about this presentation, about any job offers you may have received, or any other job-related questions. As all SLC campuses are currently closed, career services staff are working remotely, and we are available to assist you virtually with all of your job search needs. We can hold virtual appointments via telephone, email, Skype, Zoom, or Teams. To book an appointment, reach out to careerservices@sl.on.ca. We also have an online mock interview tool called Interview Stream. This is available for free to all SLC students. You just have to register using your student email address. The software will allow you to record yourself completing an interview and give you the chance to watch it back. This will help you pick out things that you may want to improve on next time. Career Services also offers Kingston's premier job board. It's updated daily and monitored to ensure that there are no fraudulent postings. Finally, we have plenty of online guides. Visit our website for resume and cover letter, interview, job fair prep guides, and more. What is employment fraud? Employment fraud occurs when an individual poses as an employer to gain something from job seekers, most commonly financial gain. The most vulnerable include individuals who are unfamiliar with Canadian hiring practices, are unaware of their rights, do not know how employment fraud operates, or feel highly pressured to find work. Many job boards are unmonitored, leaving it up to you to identify scammers. The most common ways that scammers will engage job seekers include creating false advertisements on job boards, offering positions to job seekers who have uploaded their resumes online for public viewing, and using information from legitimate companies, including current job openings, to gather resumes. To help protect yourself from these scams, we recommend that you only use unmonitored job boards such as Indeed as a search engine tool. If you find a position that you're interested in on Indeed, we suggest that you go to that company's website and look on their career opportunities page. If they are actually hiring, that opportunity will be listed there. And only apply through the company website, not the unmonitored job board. We also suggest that you refrain from uploading your resume to any online portals. This gives scammers easy access to your contact information. After a scammer gathers personal information from job seekers, they may offer a position to elicit money. They may do this by offering a check to the new employee, which is not real money, and then requesting that the employee return a sum of the money. They may also ask the new employee to use their own money to buy gift cards or other goods. They may also ask the new employee to engage in multi-level marketing pyramid schemes. This means that the employee's earnings are based on the sales of those they recruit, in addition to their own direct sales, but earn very little as recruitment multiplies. Scammers can also gather personal information to commit identity theft. They could demand the new employee pays for startup costs, or in extreme cases, use personal information to engage in human trafficking. Next, we are going to discuss some red flags of fraudulent activity. No information is available online about the company hiring, such as the company name, website, address, phone number, or maybe you can't find any company representatives. Compensation is very high relative to the qualifications of the position being offered, or very high relative to similar job postings from other organizations in the area. The email address provided by the employer is a Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, or other free email account, and you cannot confirm it on the company's website or by contacting the employer. The job posting includes an unusual amount of spelling and grammar errors, and may be very vague with little to no qualifications or experience required. A job is offered without having applied nor have been interviewed by the employer. The employer asks for personal information before hiring the job seeker, or an interview is offered but takes place in a private home or undisclosed location. On the next slide, we're going to discuss steps to take if you suspect that there is a fraudulent job posting or a fraudulent job offer. If you suspect fraud, do not provide any more information to the scammer. Cut off all communication with the scammer. Ensure to keep copies of any written correspondence you've had. And contact the police in your district to file a report. Contact Career Services to prevent the scam from spreading. And for those who have been victims of monetary theft, contact your financial institution immediately. Remember that if you are a victim of fraud, do not feel ashamed. Employment fraud happens to many people, and you have done nothing wrong. To protect yourself from job scams, research the company you are interested in. Reach out to Career Services if you have any questions about any companies or job postings that you have come across and are unsure about. Be mindful of the red flags we reviewed, even if you feel pressured to find work. And spread the word. If more people know about employment fraud and how it operates, the less likely they are to become victims of these crimes. Thank you for participating in our employment fraud presentation. We are here to support you virtually with all of your job search needs. Email us at careerservices@sl.on.ca and follow us on social media for daily updates, tools, and job opportunities. You can find us at SLC Career Services on Instagram and Facebook, and at SLC Career on Twitter. We look forward to hearing from you.